Hello everyone, I, Dr. Nikita Mashru, consultant Jaslok Hospital and director Clarity Eye Clinic will take you through diabetic retinopathy. Vision loss is approximately 25% in patients with diabetic retinopathy. It is estimated that 17 million diabetic people worldwide will have proliferative diabetic retinopathy. Without treatment, more than half of the patients with high-risk PDR will be blind within 5 years. Risk factors include duration of diabetes. Longer the duration, greater the risk of developing diabetic retinopathy. Poor control of blood sugar level, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, pregnancy and tobacco use are the risk factors. Symptoms include spots or dark strings like floating in the vision, blurry vision, fluctuating vision, impaired color vision, empty or dark areas in your vision and vision loss. So this is a picture of normal and how the diabetic retinopathy patient sees with empty areas in the vision. This is also one of the features where string-like structures are seen in the vision of diabetic retinopathy patient. The stages include mild, moderate, severe, very severe and proliferative DR. Mild and moderate are reversible, but the other two stages require intervention and constant monitoring. So one of the diagnostic tests is optical coherence tomography, which we do have in our clinic, which helps us to immediately pick up the stage of diabetic retinopathy and the macular involvement. So here as seen in the picture, there are multiple water clefts in a patient with uncontrolled diabetic retinopathy, which can be immediately diagnosed and the treatment can be started. So the laboratory investigation includes HbA1c, which is a measure of the glycemic control over past 3 months. Generally, it should be less than equal to 7. The treatment includes intravitreal injection and panretinal photocoagulation, which includes the laser mark as shown in this fundus photo. The tips are glycosylated HB test, keep doing that 3 monthly, regular blood pressure and cholesterol check, pay attention to vision changes and compulsory meet your doctor once a year. The complications include vitreous hemorrhage, retinal detachment, glaucoma and blindness. So all this can be prevented if you do your retinal checkup once a year.